of you. Myself, my name is Inulite Asna Gunawardana. I am 5 years old. I live in Negombo. There are 4 members in my family. My father's name is Menuka Gunawardana. My mother's name is Yashodhara Subasinghe. My preschool name is Little Flower Preschool. My teacher's name is Shanika Damayanti. My hobby is dancing. My ambition is to be a air hostess. Thank you.